Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE to Xiaomi device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Following that, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to do the same on Xiaomi Lite. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then go with receive on this Xiaomi device and send on Xiaomi Lite. Now click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one photo, click send, tap got it, and as you can see from here we have two connection ways. You can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on Xiaomi device, selecting allow in the pop-up and pointing camera at the QR code. But you can also just input this key over here and tap on receive. So I made a mistake, so you can correct it real quick, and now we wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!